Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be starting a new tutorial series on C# where we will start from the very basics of C# and build our way up. If you are trying to learn C# or new to C#, please follow through this series to learn C# with us. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. C# is a popular programming language which is being used by lots of developers today around the globe. It was initially released in the year 2000 and it officially introduced to the public in the year 2002 as part of .NET Framework 1.0. And it has undergone several iterations and currently is on C# 11, which was released last year, November. Key features of C#. The first is that C# aligns with the principles of object-oriented programming, thereby giving developers opportunity to organize and create code in a manner that is reusable. This means that concepts such as polymorphism, concepts such as encapsulation, like inheritance, which makes code base easier to maintain, are being applied in C#. Secondly, C# is strongly typed. This means that errors can be found at compile time and not at runtime. This allows for the code to be very reliable. We know that when it runs, the likelihood of errors is reduced. Thirdly, is the fact that C# automatically manages our memory through a process called the garbage collection. So as developers, we can focus on just building our applications and not worry about how memory is allocated or deallocated. Also, C# provides a robust standard library that offers a wide range of classes and APIs for common tasks. Tasks like reading from file, writing to file, and networking, things that have to do with database connection. These are common tasks, and so they have been put into libraries, standard libraries, and this makes lives of the developer very much easier, since they save us time and effort that will have spent in doing those common repetitive tasks. Also, C#, because it has evolved over the years, currently is about 21 years since it was made public, and it has evolved, and now it has modern features such as the lambda expression, such as async await. And this means that there will also be new features coming out even in the future. We are sure that there's going to be better and better features and improvements coming with C#. Also, with the introduction of .NET Core, C# can now be used on Mac OS or Linux-based system. This means that we can make and develop applications for this environment also. Now, why should you learn C#? First off is that C# has a thriving ecosystem with very active and robust community backing it. Secondly is that it has numerous resources, it has numerous documentations. There are many aspects of it, but for almost every aspect you will find resource available for it. Also, it has support for tools and packages, which makes it easier to learn and implement different features in C#. Also, with C#, we could build different kind of applications, ranging from desktop applications to mobile applications to web applications. All of these we could do with C#. For example, if you want to work on desktop applications, you have Windows Form, you have WPF. For games, you have Xamarin, that's for mobile games, for example. For web applications, we have the ASP.NET. And this means that for different application uses, you can still use the same skill set, which is C#. So will you join me as we go on this journey to learning C#? In our next video, we'll be looking at how we can set up our Visual Studio, which we'll be using for building and writing our applications. See you in the next video.